All right, welcome to the casa. And we're gonna go in, we're doing a foodie video, drinking some orange wine here. And coming over, Nicole's already starting with the dessert. Angel food cake, gluten-free. Got your egg whites, make sure you fluff them nice and good. This is the mix she's using. Yeah, and a little Italian dinner tonight, and then of course your little bundt pan. All right, so yeah, we're just enjoying our time here in beautiful Arizona at the house. And I'm not sure if this is the first video we've done in a long time at this house or even the first one. I have no idea. But still working on the backyard here a little bit and getting caught up. And figured it'd be a fun time. It is literally 79 degrees here today. It's been like this for a month. So had a little bit of light drizzle yesterday, but back to blue skies again, and weeks and weeks ahead of upper 70s, low 80s, which is fantastic. But we're gonna go over the meal tonight and try a really good Napa cab. So make sure to tune in and watch the whole video. Thanks. All right, fresh whipping cream. Nicole used heavy cream. And little 4 tablespoons of Truvita. So a lot less sugar, still get the same taste. There's little buddy. Hey, say hi. This will be for the top of the angel food cake. And I already cut up some strawberries. If you don't know how to do that, then maybe get out of the kitchen. Would you check that out? Look at that. It's got the bounce. See the bounce? So it's just gonna cool for about a minute or two and then flip it over and take it out and let it cool, and then we're setting aside for later. All right, guys, you probably can't see it over there, but we got cotton candy skies tonight. All right, well, we couldn't get sausage that didn't have a casing, so Nicole's pulling it apart. It's a dish that we basically had in Liverpool: sausage, Neguta, spinach, some sauce, and gluten-free. Good Italian pasta. Got these at Home Goods, Nicole did. A great place that you can get actual stuff from Italy that doesn't have a bunch of gross filler in it. But yeah. All right, kids, we're not playing around tonight. Valentine's. So got a 18 Heights Cellar Lot C91. It's just coming into its perfect area. You can cellar this for about 20 years. And we're gonna decant it. Kind of want to decant this one on about an hour to 2 hours. And so now that Nicole started cooking, we're just gonna start decanting. All right, let's get these. Doesn't matter if it's fully cooked because it's still going to cook when it's in the sauce. God, the smell. You guys need smell-o-vision here. Get some of that fat in it. Tastes good. Spinach time. Oh yeah. Whoa. Gotta stir with these beautiful hands here. All right, check that thing out. Hopefully it doesn't dump out. First time using it, it clips on. Wow. Yeah, this kind of makes cleaning up a lot easier. All right. I've been told to relax and chill at the table. Little dessert things. Hagrid's enjoying his little ball. I'm dying to try this. It's been in our wine fridge for quite a while. And yeah, next up, the plating. All right, so I just kind of wanted to show you guys, remember the one in Newbern? So this is the room here. Nice plum color. And our little whiskey cabinets. Nicole's just bringing out all the stuff. we'll go over some whiskey stuff. We got some whiskey videos coming up soon, and show you some of the goods that are in here. And we'll go over the food now. All right, so I had to turn the light on just so you could check out the dish. Oh my gosh, this looks amazing. Don't use too much sauce. You wanna simmer it down quite a bit so it kind of reduces. Not typically to like a bolognese, but just light sauce. Let the spinach and sausage be at the forefront. Look at this. I'll tell you how it tastes. All right, I'm fully stuffed. That dish was delicious. We just did a mild sausage. Super light, refreshing, nice sausage taste, red sauce. The spinach is the piece de la resistance. And this high cellars, beautiful dry, nice berry. It paired very well with the dinner. Thank you to Nicole. Thank you to Hagrid for being the stunt double. And we thank you for tuning in. Hope to see you next time.